Hey guys, ChrisFix here with Chris from BlueDriver. What we got going on here, Chris?
Today we're working on a 2004 F-150. It won't start. I've already checked the battery's good. I turned the key, dash lights come on, but all the error lights on, ABS, airbags, check engine, everything. It also says check gauges on the dash. I tried plugging in my scan tool, I got no communication, so maybe something's going on with the PCM. I've also checked the fuses going to the PCM, that's 5, 20, and 29 in the junction box on the passenger side. I checked the battery is a good 12.5 volts, so I'm not really quite sure what's going on. Got any ideas?
I think what we should do is, you mentioned fuses, let's go to the fuse box on the passenger side.
All right.
So the fuse box is located right back here in the passenger side footwell. To get to it, we just have to remove this cover, comes right out. And then there's another cover that comes right out as well. That right here is the relay for the PCM. That right there is the relay for the fog lights. So what we're gonna do, we're not sure if this relay works, we're gonna swap them out because we do know the fog lights work. So let's remove the PCM relay and let's remove the fog light relay. Both of these relays are identical, same part numbers, same pins, so we know they'll work. And now I'm gonna plug in that fog light relay into the PCM relay slot because we know it works. All right, I swapped out the relay, give it a start.
And that was easy, just the relay.
All right, and it's that simple to figure out if your PCM relay is bad. We just swapped out the fog light relay with this relay and we know, okay, the car starts up, so it must be a bad relay. That easy, no special tools required, just a simple swap.
That's a great one. If ever your truck won't start, check the PCM relay first. It's a common culprit and cause these no-start issues. The best part is where you just swap it with the fog lights, you can live without fog lights for a couple days. You're back on the road in seconds. So we got more video coming down the line. Check out our channel, subscribe to get the latest updates and the new videos. Leave comments below, like this video. Until next time, fear no fix.